I always get paranoid I'm going to end up on the motorway, so I better not be taking me on the M1. I don't even know what lane. I hate lanes. Where do we want to be? Oh wait, crap, I'm in the wrong lane. I apologise if I look stupid to anyone watching. Hello again guys, it's been a while. Last week I was ill. Well, I was ill all week. I could barely get out of my room. Couldn't even play any games or anything. I think I had coronavirus, if I had to guess. My whole family was ill. I'm assuming that's going around again, unfortunately. So hopefully none of you lot get it. Yeah, I'm just out on my own today. I'm going for a ride up to like Superbike Factory Way. And my guess is we're going to hit some traffic. I just filled up fuel, so we haven't got to worry about that for a bit. We can just have a nice ride. I will say it's quite chilly today. My hands are already cold. I think it's about 7 degrees. So is that road closed or is it not closed? It was closed like 2 days ago. Well, I desperately need to get some winter gloves. This is just getting painful. I need to pull over a sec. Let's go the other direction. Forgot to turn my phone charger on. There you go. Should be good to go now. Got sun's bright this morning. Bloody hell. Okay, so it was closed. Yeah, I'm hoping I don't get whatever illness that was again, because 1 2 nights. Every time you cough it feels like razor blades are just slitting your throat. I should probably check my oil level at some point. I haven't checked it for a little while. Yeah, the hands are definitely feeling it. I think it's time for some winter gloves. It's been a while since I've been up this way. I hate them things. The lorries that carry the cars, I always think it's going to fall on me. By Royal Enfield. Where were you going? Watch out for these pesky cameras. Because they don't like us. I get so nervous every time I see a speed camera on. Not good for now though. Not that I'd speed anyway. This is a nice little bridge. Right, he's slamming on his brake. Are we in the right lane? I don't even know. I think we're fine. I hate lanes. I'm no good with it. Where do we want to be? Donnington's airport. Quite empty here today. Yeah, there's usually a lot more bikes here. I just thought we'd stop here. Then we'll head back. Not here for any reason or route. Hopefully you can even hear me alright, because I like moved around my mic. But yeah, this is a nice place to come when you like want to see some bikes or something. Alright, it's time to head home. My eyes are fogging up. I just don't really fancy being out at dinner time. Or at least being out this far at dinner time anyway. I always get paranoid I'm going to end up on the motorway. Not because I'm scared of the motorway, just because I'm not allowed on the motorway. I didn't do anything, I swear. Oh wait, crap, I'm in the wrong lane. It's fine, let's go around that anyway. like I said earlier, the ones that carry cars. I wasn't quite expecting to be coming back on dual carriageways. I don't even know what lane. Where are we meant to? Oh, we're meant to go that way. There we are. I better not be taking me on the M1. Oh shit. Okay, that was scary. I thought it was taking me onto the M1. But we're good. Alright, Tommy Cooper. We're chilling. We're all fine. How do I get lost with a map and end up on roads that I don't know? This is why I don't read when we go on little group rides and stuff. Lewis, this is why you're always in front. Why didn't the map just take me back the same way I came? That would have been nice. But oh well, we've been on an adventure. I apologise if I look stupid to anyone watching. I'm terrible at knowing where I am or where I'm going. Especially when it comes to big roads like dual carriageways, roundabouts and lanes. I can't be doing that. Oh, gravel. Well, I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed me getting lost. Because I enjoyed it, I'll be honest. It was different. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content.